Hey guys, here's an original character design dating back to 2018. I created this guy called R.A.K, your resident ass kicker. And of course, he's reporting for duty. I imagine him to be about 15 feet tall. He's a cyborg, so he's got all these interesting organic parts inside of him. Like there's a brain where his heart should be. I imagine this eye to be basically the control center for the entire structure. There's a radio on his right pec for communicating. He's got knives, tattoos, pistols, pouches, more knives. There's a barcode indicating his line on the assembly. There's some grenades, a backpack full of ammo. And, ultimately, I think I created this character as an excuse to draw this ridiculously oversized minigun, which I admit I had way too much fun putting together. And in creating this piece, which is basically finished, it's inked and complete. I started with the 2H pencil for the construction lines, and then I moved on to a 0.1 millimeter fine liner to start roughing in some of the finalized ink work. And I'd move up to a 0.3 when I was happy with that basic line work. And then of course, finishing off some of the hard shadows, some of the outline with a brush pen. All right, it's interesting looking back at this piece and seeing everything I would do differently now if I was to redraw him, because a fairly significant amount of time has passed since I created this. And, I would touch up the anatomy, the pose, some of the line quality, some of the detail, but that's a really great indicator. Any of you artists out there, if you can look back at old work and see right away how you would improve your old pieces, it just signifies growth of your skill and your development as an artist overall. So consider that if any of you artists out there are finding it tough seeing, visible results. It does take a lot of time, but things do happen. You do improve. It's just a gradual process. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you tuning in to check this out. If you enjoy my content, consider liking and subscribing. I've got tons and tons of finished and rough sketch work on the way, especially for my short clip uploads. So stay tuned for more. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.